Welcome to Student Testimonial Talk Show. We have three wonderful students who come and share their interests and benefits while studying English at the wonderful school. Hello, Minhei.
Hello, teacher.
I'm glad to meet you. Would you tell us why GP is good for you?
The General English program at Swanapum School has been very beneficial for me because it has improved my English learning skills in all areas, such as speaking, listening, reading, and writing. The program provides a supportive and interactive learning environment where I can practice my English more confidently. The engaging lesson, real-life communications activities, and the personal life feedback has helped me become more fluent and more comfortable using English in every situation. And for the SPS strength is that SPS stands out because of its experienced teacher, the interactive teaching method, and the welcoming atmosphere. The small class sizes allow for a more personalized attention, and the structured curriculum ensures steady progress. Additionally, the diverse student community really make learning English more enjoyable and culturally enriching. SPS truly provide an excellent environment for both academic learning and personal growth.
It sounds great.
Hello, Rani.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, glad to see you. And I have a question for you. So, what do you enjoy most about being part of General English program?
Being part of the General English program at Swanapum School is an enriching experience that goes beyond just by learning the language. The programs offer a dynamic and interactive environment where creativity, critical thinking, and real-world application take center stage. One of the most rewarding aspects is the exposure to diverse teaching methodologies such as project-based learning, debate, and multimedia integration, which make lessons both engaging and intellectually stimulating. Additionally, the program fosters a strong sense of community, where students can collaborate on the various academic and extracurricular activities, creating an inspiring atmosphere of shared growth and success.
Great, wonderful.
So I'm going to ask you the next question. Can you share us your memorable experience or knowledge from GEP?
My most memorable experience from GEP was when I was participating in a group discussions and presentations. At first, I was very nervous to talk in front of everybody, but with the support from my teachers and classmates, I gained more confidence. I also learned many useful expressions and useful communication skills that I now use in my real-life situations. The interactive activities and cultural exchanges really make learning English more enjoyable and more meaningful.
Brilliant.
My last question for you is, how has the support from your teachers and peers in General English program helped you succeed?
The unwavering support from teachers and peers in the GEP have been instrumental in my academic and personal growth. The teachers are not only highly qualified, but also deeply passionate about education, provide personalized guidance, and ensuring that each student reaches their full potential. Their commitment to mentorship coupled with constructive feedback have refined with our language skills and instilled a strong sense of confidence. Moreover, the collaborative spirit among peers themselves can create a nurturing environment where ideas are exchanged freely, teamwork is encouraged, and motivation flourishes. This network of support has empowered me to go on challenges with resilience and excel in various aspects in my education.
I'm pleased to meet you, Chariya. Now, I have two questions to ask you. The first question is, can you share us a story about a time when the encouragement you received made a big difference?
Thank you, Charles, for the question. There was a time that I struggled challenges project in General English program at Swanapum School. I felt overwhelmed and doubted about my ability, but my teachers and my classmates encouraged me to keep going. Their support helped me push through, and in the end, and not just complete the project successfully, but I also gained more confidence in problem solving. This experience showed me the power of positive reinforcement and teamwork.
Alright, this is the second question for you, Chariya. It is about How has the GEP transformed your perspective on education?
Before joining English program at Swanapum School, I view education as just a series of the lesson and exam. But this program showed me that education is about much more. It's about personal growth, creativities, and problem solving. Now, I see education as a tool for making a real difference in the world. It's not just a personal success, but it's about sharing to my communities. GEP has inspired me to take learning beyond in the classroom and apply it into the real world challenges.
It sounds perfect. Min-hye, through your perspective, why would you recommend the General English program to other students come and register with Swanapum School?
Well, I would highly recommend the General English program at Swanapum Schools to the other students because it offers a comprehensive and enriching academic experience. The program not only challenges students to think critically and creatively, but also provides opportunity for hands-on learning that directly apply to the real-world situations. The diverse and well-rounded curriculum allows students to explore a variety of subjects and skills, helping them develop a strong foundation for both academic and professional growth. Overall, GEP at SPS is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to advance their educations, improve their problem-solving ability, and prepare for future career opportunities.
It sounds brilliant.
សាលារៀនសុវណ្ណភូមិជាសាលាចំណេះទូទៅខ្មែរធំជាងគេនិងល្អជាងគេនៅកម្ពុជា